Hey guys, welcome to Vishwatech Like YouTube channel. So in this video, I will show you how you can transfer the TRX tokens or any other currency to the Gate.io app through the Vajirex account. So in this process, I will use the TRX token because it is the low fee and the fastest method to transfer the coins, and also you can easily purchase these coins available in all the exchanges. So I will explain full process, so watch the video till the end. And friends, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. And also, if you are not yet download the Vajirex app or Gate.io app, so I will give both the links in the description. Just check out the description and download the app and install the app and complete the KYC before depositing to the Gate.io app. So now let's get into the topic. Before going to the process, friends, if you're not done the KYC for the Gate.io or the Vajirex account or any other crypto which you are transferring, so make sure that you have been done the KYC, full KYC for it. So I will give both the links, so you can use the Vajirex link or else the Gate.io links to sign up and do the KYC process. So if you don't know how to do the KYC process, so I will give all the links in the description. Just go to the link and check the video and how to do the sign up also. So I haven't done a video, so I will give both the links. So if you are new to the cryptocurrencies, you can just go to the description and check out the links, both the links, and you can easily sign up. So make sure that you have been completed the both the KYCs and your accounts are verified. And here I will show the in the left hand side, I will show the sender end, and the right side I will show the receiver end. So here we are using the two apps. So I will show in the left side Vajirex app and the right side Gate.io app. So now let's get into the topic. First of all, open the Vajirex app. So as you can see here you need to click on the funds. So I already purchased the TRX token, so I will search for TRX token. As you can see here, I have an 620 tokens, so I will click on withdraw, and I will, as you can see here, it is asking for the destination address. So to get the destination address, you need to open the Gate.io app. So once you open the Gate.io, so make sure that you have been completed the KYC over here. So I will give link in the description, friends. Just go to the link. So if you don't know how to sign up also, so I will give the video link. You can just follow that video and you can do the easily sign up. So with our link. So once you've done all these things, so you can click on the wallet. So in the when you click on the wallet, you can see the spot account. So I will click on spot account. So once you click on spot account, so here you can search for TRX. So once you're done, so I will select it TRX. So once you select here, you will get some, here you can see the options called deposit, withdraw, lending, bills, exchange and all. So here I will click on the deposit option. So once you click on deposit option, so you will get this QR code and the address. So just I will scan the address here, so or else you can just copy and paste the destination address also. So I will just scan this and I will send the TRX. Just click on the QR scanner and I will scan the address. So as you can see here, so once you're done, so automatically the address, destination address will be added. So I will click on withdraw all, and the TRX tokens fee will be 5, and you need to add the remark. So I will add it, you can add it anything. So I will swipe it, and once you swipe here, you need to enter the OTP for the register mobile number. So you will get for Vajirex with register mobile number, you will get an OTP. So I will enter over here. So once you enter, so you will get an email verification also. So as you can see in the screen, so I will click on OK and I will verify my email ID also. So you need to open your Gmail account, you need to verify account. So I will do this process also. As you can see here, I got the confirmation mail. Make sure that before approving this mail, so the total amount, so what is the fee, so what the amount you will receive. So you can see the destination address, so and the remark. So once you okay with it, you need to click on the approve the withdrawal. So once you click on it, so it will approve and it will take 5 minutes to withdraw the amount. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to complete the transaction. So as you can see here, 615 TRX tokens has been debited from my account. So once you tap on it, so as you can see here, the status has been done. So it means that the transaction has been completed. You can check in the gate.io section in the wallet section. So I hope this video will be helpful for you friends. So if you want to know how to purchase any coin in the, how to sell the TRX token and how to buy the other coins in the gate.io, so let me know in the comment section. I will show you how you can purchase the coins in the gate.io, or else how to do the transaction in the gate.io. So let me know in the comment section. Please do like this video and share this video with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.